Hello everyone, welcome to this session. If you realize that you have typed the names of people in lowercase letters as they are shown here, do not begin by changing the first letters into capital letters like what I'm doing here. This will waste a lot of your time, especially if you have several names. So, what you do, let me just make it look like it was looking initially. So what you do, use a proper function in Microsoft Excel. So write equals to proper, and it comes down here. Just double click and input contents of the first cell. In this case, cell B2. Close your parentheses and enter. You can see the name is now written well. Each part of the name is capitalized. Now to fill other names, put your cursor on the lower right corner here and double click. You can see all other names are now written well. Uh, each part of the name is capitalized. Fine, let's meet next time.